Did I tell you the last time? What are you still doing here? What are you doing here again?
My love, please calm down, okay? Let's talk things over.
Talk, Guinea? We don't have anything to talk about. In fact, we don't even have anything in common. Just get out of my house. Get out of my house now, oh.
Please, please.
Oh. You don't want to go. You will not go up, yeah? You want to see what I will do? Eh, just wait. Wait.
Haven't you done enough? Huh? Haven't you done enough? What more do you want? Please, I would advise you start going. Because if she comes out this way, you won't like her.
You're still here.
My love, don't do this.
You're still here. Are you out? Out! You're still standing. You are still I know you're Chinese. I know you're Chinese. You better leave by the time I get back here, because if I come out again, you will not like what I will do again. Kaporo.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.